Okay, let's focus on the American Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so the Mediterranean seas are adjacent basins, deep oceanic basins, okay, that have a limited connection with the open ocean. Okay, through islands, the existence of island chains, or shallow water depth. You have sills, you have rich systems. And this is one example here. The American Mediterranean Sea has a number of deep basins, and the deepest regions here have a total water depth exceeding 5,000 meters. In the Venezuela Basin, have a look at that. You have the Cayman Basin, very deep. And you have the Gulf of Mexico. Okay? So that is what we call the Mediterranean Sea, and the exchange with the ambient ocean is density driven. You can have two different type of Mediterranean seas. One, which is a concentration basin, which produces a hypersaline outflow. Or you can have a dilution basin, which produces an outflow of low salinity water. Okay, and you already learned about other type of where the exchange circulation is a little bit more complex, like the outflow of surface water and bottom water from the Arctic Ocean, which is also in a Mediterranean Sea. So let's have a look at this one here. Okay, let's have a look at this region. Okay. And I want to show you an observation along this red line. Where's the red line? Let's see, the mouse is activated. Here's a red line. You see this? Okay, this is where one of these passages. Okay. How does it look like if you look at the temperature distribution across this passage, which is the Anegada passage? Temperature, and you can see from the temperature that there is an inflow of water across one of these sills and into the deeper basins. Okay, and this is, again, follows the principle of advection and diffusion. And what drives these overflows is the density difference. Okay, it's a greater density on one side compared to the other side of a passage, and that drives an inflow. Okay? So this is what makes this area a dilution basin. Again, this is the American Mediterranean Sea, one example of a transect. So let's have a little bit of a look at other features in the American Mediterranean Sea.